Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuti Studio. I hope you guys are doing well. For today's video, let's make this beautiful hydrangea flower in a very easy way. But before starting, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. First of all, we need to make some small flowers like this. These are exactly made with the pattern I use in this crocheted in a frame video. Let's learn how to do it again. I'm using this Hobby India crochet yarn. All the materials I have used in this video, I will list them and all the links will be in the description below. But only for this video I'm using a thicker yarn so that the pattern will be more visible. Make a magic ring and chain 1. Then make 4 single crochet on the ring. Close the ring like this and make a slip stitch on the first chain. Use stitch marker if you want. Start with 2 chains, 2 double crochet in the same chain. Two triple crochet, 2 double crochet again, then chain 2 and a slip stitch. All of these chains are going to be in the same single crochet. And this is how we got our first petal. We just have to repeat the same steps on all the chains and we got the full flower. And a slip stitch on the last chain, and this is how we will get the full flower. After this, the next set of materials we need is some acrylic colors, some beads, some craft wires, and a green yarn to wrap the wires. We are gonna color the white flowers with blue or purple color matching the shade of the original hydrangea flower. And you can add some white, some of them are darker and some of them are lighter, all of them will work. Let them dry completely. Then cut the wire. These are the stems of the flower. So keep the length accordingly. Add the pearl bead in between and pass it from the middle like this. Do the same thing with all of them. Then wrap the wire with a green yarn. You can use some glue to fix both the ends. Do it with all the flowers. Then collect them together. Again, wrap it with the green yarn and make a group. Once it is done, we have to make some more groups. The more groups you're gonna make, the more fuller the flower is gonna look. Then for the main stem, we have this little thicker wire. Cut it according how long you want the stem to be. You cut 4 or 5 of them and tie them together with the green yarn again. Now keep the main stem on the middle. Combine all of them together and wrap all of them with this green yarn. Now you can adjust your flowers according to yourself, and that's it. You can add some leaves as well. But that's it. I hope you like the method and the steps. I hope you like the steps and the way of making the flower. See you on my next one. Bye bye.